Hey fam, if you've been sitting all day or just need a quick reset, this 5-minute stretch routine is exactly what you need to release tension in your spine, back, and shoulders. We'll keep everything seated and simple. So take a deep breath, relax, and get started. Let's begin with the seated spine twist. Sit comfortably with your legs crossed or in any seated position that is comfortable. Inhale deeply, lengthen your spine, and as you exhale, gently twist to the right. Place your right hand behind you for support and your left hand on your right knee. Now let's move to the left side. Inhale to lengthen your spine, and as you exhale, twist gently to the left, placing your left hand behind you and your right hand on your left knee. Again, think of this as a gentle massage for your spine, helping to loosen it up after hours of sitting or standing. Feel the stretch through your mid and lower back. Breathe deeply and allow the twist to naturally deepen with each exhale. This is your body's way of resetting after any stress it's been holding. Now let's open up the sides of your body with a seated side bend. Place your left hand on the mat and stretch your right arm overhead, reaching to the side. Feel that deep stretch along your right side. This move helps increase flexibility in your obliques and stretches the muscles along your ribs. Keep breathing deeply and notice how your body opens up with each breath. This is all about creating length and space in the side body. Bring your right hand down to the mat beside you and stretch your left arm up and over your head, reaching to the side. Keep your sit bones grounded as you stretch, feeling the length along your left side. Take a few deep breaths here. Each time you inhale, feel the space you're creating in your side body, and as you exhale, release any tightness. Next, we'll move into cat-cow, which is great for the spine. Let's do this gently. As you exhale, round your back, tuck your chin toward your chest, and pull your belly in. This is your cat pose. On your inhale, arch your back, lift your chest, and look up. This is your cow pose. Keep flowing between these two, using your breath to guide you. Inhale. Expand the chest and feel the stretch through the spine. Exhale, round your back and release any tension in your upper body. This stretch is perfect for increasing flexibility and mobility in your spine. Let's target the upper back now with thread the needle. Start by sitting on your heels or stay seated if it's more comfortable. Reach your right arm under your body and across to the left, lowering your shoulder and head toward the mat. This stretch is great for releasing tightness in your shoulders and upper back, especially after a long day of sitting or hunching over. Hold here for a few breaths, letting your body sink deeper into the stretch. Feel the release in your back with each exhale. Now let's switch sides. Reach your left arm under your body and across the right, bringing your shoulder and head down to the mat. This stretch really gets into the muscles around your shoulder blades, helping to release built-up tension and improve your range of motion. Stay here for a few breaths, letting your body relax into the stretch. Each breath helps create space and calmness in your upper back and shoulders. And there you have it, fam. In just 5 minutes, you've stretched, loosened up your spine, shoulders, and back. This routine helps increase flexibility, relieve tension, and set your body up for success. Whether you're starting the day or need a quick break, save this routine. Let me know how you feel in the comments, fam. And don't forget to subscribe. Save this routine for whenever you need a reset, and let's keep those muscles loose and flexible.